pink and red and hearts and sweets and all these lovely things. Valentine's, it's coming and it's over the corner and we have to be prepared. So after we finish all our Christmas gifts, we are starting to think about Valentine's. And today I have a whole full list of Valentine projects, crochet ideas that you can get inspired and start working on them, because time is getting closer and closer. So let's get started. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra and I am the crochet designer behind Sandra Stitches, and you're here for some crochet goodness. So what I have for you today is a list of projects, crochet projects that I found scrolling over Pinterest and all these amazing crochet designers, blogs and videos and tutorials. And I found a list of, I don't know, 20, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 22, maybe 23, I'm not sure. Projects that I think are, you know, nice, beautiful, easy, free patterns or free tutorials, nothing paid, that you can make to start preparing for your gifting. So I want to start with a top. Now, I did not put this list in categories, and I'm just going around the list and we'll see what happens. I want to start with this top because I think it's classic, right? Just take a look at it. Pink and red and a little heart opening here in the middle, in the chest. What can you ask more than that? It's just amazing. The way all of it is going to be linked in the description box below, which means that there's going to be a Pinterest board with all the images and all the links. So you can go, if you like one of these projects and you want to go and make it, you can scroll down in the description box, go to the Pinterest board, and you will find there all the links, all right? Now, some of these projects here are also from my collection. Between all the 20-something projects, I think I have 2 or 3 here. So the majority, it's not mine. It's just super talented other designers, and I just, I was looking for fun projects that you can make and feel great to gift them on Valentine's. So the theme is Valentine's. All right, let's move to the next one. Now the next one is also a top, but this one is a top-down raglan kind of top with, I believe it's all different kind of stitches, kind of a stitch sampler, like we do in blankets sometimes, but on a sweater, on a top. I believe this one is without sleeves, kind of a vest, kind of a crop top. You can decide, maybe you want to add sleeves or not, maybe you want to make it longer, just use the right pinks and rose and reds, and it becomes a Valentine's project, right? Okay, let's move to the next one. This one, what can you say? These granny squares with hearts and all this ruffle around the head. Amazing. This is for a queen, okay? If you make this hat, you have to gift it to a queen, because who else than a queen will wear such a hat? I think it's amazing. All these ruffles around, amazing. I love it. Let's move to the next one. I am not an amigurumi girl. I don't have the patience and my fingers, for all these little tiny crochet stitches. But if you are, look at these bunnies holding the hearts. I think it's so sweet and so cute. You can, make one or two and add a chocolate bar or some sweets. I don't know. I think they are amazing. The next one, we have a rose. Now, I think I have a video where I crocheted some vines, some, leaves, some plants, crochet plants, but I never really did flowers to add to it. And here I found a rose that you can make by making a long something with stitches and then roll it around and make a rose. I think it's amazing. If you can make a bouquet of roses like that and gift it to somebody, maybe again with the chocolate or some sweets or maybe a wine, I don't know, something. Mwah! Great. Let's move to the next one. Okay, this one is different. This is a vintage pattern that I found scrolling on Pinterest, looking for amazing Valentine's projects. This one, I believe the pattern is from the 1960s or 1950s, something like that. If you go to the link, you will get to a pattern that it's very, very old. It's just I think it's not a written pattern like we have today. It's a photograph of maybe from a magazine or something. I'm not sure. But look at this project. This is not for beginners, okay? This is for more intermediate crocheters. But it's amazing. If you have the patience and if you like to work on these kind of projects, I think it's very, very, very unique. All right, let's move to the next one. So the next one is one of my collection, and it's the rhythm scarf. The rhythm scarf has little hearts in the rows, and it's perfect if you want to do something for your men. You don't have to do only pinks and reds. You can do blues. And again, if it has a heart in it, so it can be a Valentine's present. Let's move to the next one. The next one is so sweet. Just look at these swirl hearts. Very easy to make. Very cute. You can use them for, I don't know, a garland or as an appliqué on something. I use this technique of the swirl, and in one of my latest videos where I did a cat and put it on top of a cat beanie, a cat hat. It's so fun, so much fun. So if you do these hearts, you can just maybe coasters, be creative. It's just such an amazing and cute pattern. All right, let's move to the next one. So the next one is again hearts. It's a bag. I think maybe it's a tapestry crochet. I'm not sure, but it's this rectangle bag. How do you call it? Messenger bag or tote bag or market bag with a strap. And the hearts are all, each row of hearts is in a different color. Super cute. Super cute. All right, let's move to the next one. We have another bag. This time it's a tote bag. It's a very small bag. And I think it's, again, it's kind of heart stitches and close with a string and the long handle. Super, super cute. I just thought it was so adorable as a small. Maybe you can make this if you have teenage girls or maybe even younger. like 10-year-olds. You make a little bag like this. Amazing. All right, let's move to the next one. So the next one is the XOXO pillow. Classic Valentine's XOXO in red and white. Of course, why not? You make one of these pillows and everybody's happy. The next one is again one of mine. It's the heart scarf. As you can see, very classic, pink and red, and it has this, it's a little bit like filet crochet, but it's not filet crochet, but it looks like filet crochet because it has a lot of holes, and you can see the hearts shapes on the patterns, in the stitches, in the patterns. Very cute, very Valentine's. Of course, you can make it in any color you want. All right, let's move to the next one. So the next one, we have this super cute beanie with hearts, of course. Yeah, we are on Valentine's, right? What can I say? It's amazing. These little hearts on the beanie and this huge pink pompon on top. Really cute. I believe this pattern has all the sizes, so you can maybe make matching sizes for people that you want to gift. Beautiful. All right. Let's move to the next one. The next one is a classic granny square with a big heart in the middle and the shoulders, and it becomes a top, maybe a vest. Big heart, very classic, very easy, very beginner friendly. Just go for it. All right. The next one is a blanket with hearts. It's tapestry crochet, I believe, and it's so cute for a baby blanket. But you can make it, in different colors. You can make it even bigger, and then it becomes a Valentine's project. Of course, if you are thinking about a blanket, you have to start way ahead of time because it takes time. All right, let's move to the next one. We have this amazing heart stitch. Now, this is not a piece, it's just a stitch, and it's not beginner friendly. It's more like intermediate level, intermediate. Okay, English is not my first language, as you can hear. So sometimes I get stuck in the words. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So it's intermediate level, but it's so beautiful. If you get the hand of it, if you manage to have the patience to follow the pattern, I believe there is a video tutorial as well for the stitch. I'm not sure, but I think there is. So if you are more a visual learner, so maybe a video tutorial will be best for you. All right, let's move to the next one. So we have the slippers. Okay, we are in the winter. Valentine's is in February. Half part of the world is winter, half part of the world is summer. So if you are in the winter, slippers, of course, with the heart, super cute. I believe, again, it's maybe tapestry crochet here we're talking about, but I don't think it's very complicated because it's just two colors, so that's fine. All right, the next one is super cute. It's a very small pillow, heart pillow with a pocket. Right? Genius. Genius. Whoever designed this. Genius. A heart pillow with a pocket so you can put in the pocket chocolates, sweets, cards, gift cards, I don't know, a bouquet of flowers, whatever you want. Amazing. All right, let's move to the next one. And here we are going to talk about a new technique, corner to corner. Now, if you don't know what corner to corner is, you have to try it because it's super simple and it's super beautiful and it works really fast. I just started to get, acquaintance with this technique, like get to being friends with this technique just lately in the last few weeks. And I am obsessed. And this is a table runner, corner to corner, with hearts in pinks and whites and red. I believe, I'm not sure, but I think that you make different parts separately and then you join them. Anyway, corner to corner is super, super easy. You do not have to be afraid of it. All right? And we have two more. So the next one is a little bit like the pillow with the pocket, but it's a little pouch, little envelope pouch with a little heart applique that you put on it. And you can use it as, to put inside a gift card or to put inside something very small to give somebody. And it's kind of a nice gesture. It's very cute. And our last project idea, inspiration for today, I believe it's called the Danish technique or Danish hot pot, something Danish. And it's this pot holder where you crochet straps and you braid them together. It's super cute, very beautiful. And you can make it in the shape of the heart. Amazing. You can make 1, 2, 3 and like a couple of, a package of pot holders. It's an amazing gift. That's it for today. I hope you get inspired by all these projects. As I said in the beginning, all of them, the links for them will be in the description box below in a special Pinterest board with all the images and the links and everything. So you go there and you look for the special one that you really like and that you are going to make. Tell me in the comments which one is going to be that. And if you do, please share the photo so we can all congratulate you and, be happy and get inspired by your creation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I can continue and bring you videos like that in the future. All right, until then, bye.